Life is an adventure, something I would always tell myself as a kid as I was on a go in like my 16th year of life. I was just headstrong, ready to take on the world. And then I actually got married when I was 20. And then my husband and I settled down, and now we have 5 kids, and I will be 30 this year. So life has always been fast-paced for me. And I think now going into my 30s, I'm just ready for my life to continue the adventure, but just in a slower pace of just enjoying so many things that I was so ready to enjoy as a younger child, but just so busy that I sometimes think I forgot to stop and smell the roses, as I would say. I wouldn't take back anything because I truly have enjoyed my life this far, but there's things I've learned along the way, like overconsumerism and not having to shop to satisfy a itch or endorphin or whatever I needed. I've learned to just find contentment in the things that I have because God has truly blessed my life and my family. And I hope that through making these cleaning videos, they encourage I hope that they encourage you to clean and declutter, right? And I've been through a lot in my life, and just these I'm not even going to say 30 because I'm not there. These short 29 years, I've lost my health. I've gained my health. My kids have gone through some health trials as well. And through it all, we've just seen God's faithfulness. I like to share cleaning motivation, so I don't like to go too personal, but one of my kiddos went into kidney failure at one point in her life, and we just saw the miraculous work of Jesus, and our hearts will be changed forever, and so much gratitude for those who were there praying alongside of us and watching that healing come, and the doctors that were just amazing. So when you go through things like that in your life, it just truly opens your eyes to what matters and how we can stay focused and just not get distracted by all of the distractions of life, but come back to the core of what brings us closer together in family and community and sharing a meal together around a big table, laughter and joy and peace, and not being so busy that we have to just go 24/7. So I hope you guys are staying so motivated. I'm not sure what all we'll chat about in this video, but I'm just, like I said, so happy you're here. Let me know what the best thing you have found in your life through the years that you've grown. Give me some of your words of wisdom in the comments, or let me know what you've gotten out of this channel, this cleaning journey, and let me know what kind of cleaning you're doing today in your house. I am working on getting all of the bedding washed and put back on the beds, and I would love to get a whole house mopping. So that is what I've been doing, just sweeping all areas of the house. We have a fairly small house. It's 3 bedroom, 2 bath, so it should be easy to clean and sweep up, but it takes getting everything up off of the ground, and that is my goal in decluttering, so that I can clean quick and get it all done quickly. Anyways, I am going to get some lunch now. I'm going to make some hamburgers. Go ahead and drop me whatever food you like as an emoji in the comments, and we will talk soon. Bye for now.